Hey guys, Saving with Shay. Listen, I want to try to make this video quick because I get a lot of you guys asking me how to contact customer support, how to put tickets in through the affiliated apps, Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. So I want to see if I can make this video for those of you who've been asking me about that. But for starters, if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you turn your notifications on, and make sure you hit the like button to support your girl. All right, so I'm gonna try to make this as easy as I can though. All right, so this is my Tada account. I'm gonna click my points, or well, my money. That's gonna bring up my activity. All right. Now for starters, if you're submitting a receipt and let's say the item doesn't get approved, you have the option at that time to have the item reviewed manually. All right, so that's the easiest way to do it from Jumpstart. Click review, you check the item you want reviewed. It usually will take upwards of 3 days. All right, if you don't do that, or let's say you submit your receipt, it goes into review and it comes back and it's not approved. All right, so it would be here in your activity. All right, I'm gonna put this out by a month. All right, so these are all of my activity transactions through Tada. All right, so what you're gonna do is basically for that, this is your ledger. So for whatever day or whatever item you have a question about, now let's just say this transaction that I did on the 16th, which was today, let's say it wasn't approved. Then instead of saying $5, it would say 0. All right, you want to click that side arrow and it's going to bring this screen up. All right, you're going to click have an issue, contact support at the very bottom, and then contact us. All right, it's as simple as that. All right, you put the date, you put how much you're supposed to get back, and the confirmation email screenshot. That's basically just you going to your email and screenshotting so that they know you are who you're supposed to be. And then you, whatever you want to put in your comments, you check the box and you submit. That's exactly how you do it. And I want to say it's like that for all of them. Let me see, Swagbucks, it's the same thing. You click your points. Oops, click your points. Activity. It's the same idea. All right. I don't have any on here that didn't get approved. But same idea. All right, you click the little side arrow and then you scroll down, you click contact support. Same thing, contact us. Same thing. It's the same thing. They're all affiliated. It's the same thing. They're all affiliated. So the process is the same for all of them. My points, same thing. We'll hit the points. And that's one thing I do like about Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada's, that because they are all the same, they do run the same deals. And so you can do the deals up to 4 different times. I love that. So we're going to click the down arrow, scroll down. There you have it, customer support. Am I missing one? Did I do inbox? I don't think I did. Same thing here. Click your points. Activity, scroll down. The process is the same for all of these. All right, customer support, contact customer support. It's the same thing for all of them. Super, super easy, you guys. But for the most part, it's really easy once you get the hang of it. But I feel like the easiest way is to have the item reviewed like when you submit your receipt. That's the fastest way for me. Again, it can take upwards of 3 days, but it has taken upwards of 5 days at times. The other tip I've shared with you guys before is for Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada, I don't have the apps downloaded. I find the apps to be problematic. So I have had better experience with just using the browser. So this is the home page for Tada. What I do is I click the 3 lines at the far left. We'll click Magic Receipts. This is the Magic Receipt page. I'll click the 3 dots at the very top corner and then I'll click, where is it at? Add to home screen. All right. And that's what I do. So Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, and ta-da. Those are just the browsers, all right, which makes it easier, in my opinion. Because I know a lot of people have had issues with the apps. And so definitely try using the browser. The other question I've been getting a lot lately is with ta-da. Now I noticed that when I went back to using ta-da, you guys know my account was deactivated the last week or two of December. So I have a new account that I just started using, and I've noticed that the offers, they do have offers that are on coupons.com on here. Like if I scroll all the way down, you'll see some of them that are on coupons.com, like all of these. So I've actually been able to submit receipts up to 4 times. So if I'm doing Ibotta rebates, and I know that most of their rebates do reset upwards of 4 or 5 times, I know that every time it resets, the first time I can do coupons.com, the second time I can do ShopMim, third time I can do Alexa. I do have a second ShopMim account I can use, but now I can also do ta-da. So some of these offers I have did on here, which is really cool, but I know a lot of you guys say that you don't have these extra offers. I can only suggest maybe, I don't want to say update your app because I'm not using the app, I'm using the browser. So, or maybe switch over to using the browser, because this is actually cool, because it actually gives me a chance to do, to utilize another digital offer if I don't have a coupon for it. And so I kind of just want to add that tidbit in. Other than that, you guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to show your girl a little love by liking this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. All right, so I decided to kind of add this as a little snippet just to show you the steps in having your receipt manually reviewed if it's not approved. So I'm going to submit a receipt from CVS on a product that I know is not on the receipt, just so I can show you guys the steps that you need to take to have it manually reviewed. Again, that can take anywhere between 3 to 5 days, if not longer. All right, so I've submitted the receipt, and it's not going to be approved because obviously I didn't buy the right product. All right, so once the little bunny pops up, and it's a sad bunny because you couldn't find the product, you're going to click review receipt at the very bottom. Then you're going to click in red where it says request a review of my receipt. Click that. And then you're going to click the offer that you want to have reviewed and click request review. That's how you do it, and that's how you have it manually reviewed. So as always, I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.